3D puzzle. Today, let's assemble a house. This is a pink villa. This house is easier to assemble. Only 3 steps are needed. This is a patch of grass. The house will be assembled on this patch of grass. Pink walls. A bay window on the first floor. There's also a pot of flowers in the window. Install the main door. Window on the roof. Install the chimney on the roof. Put the roof on the house. This villa also has a side door. A doghouse. The doghouse also needs to shelter from wind and rain. Put on the roof. A tree next to the doghouse. Finally, put up the fence. The purple villa is assembled.